Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk. Ran into another problem today. I thought I'd show you guys how I resolved it. Basically, I lost an entire hard drive. Unfortunately, my SSD just stopped working. So now all my programs that I installed on that drive, which includes Adobe, is all gone. Okay, I had all these programs installed. Now they're all back down here as in not installed. If I try to install one of them, okay, if I click, I've already tried it, but let's say I click retry. Okay, it used to be an install button, it turned into retry. But if I try to install it, look what happens. It goes to installing for a few percent, and then it says there was a problem. If you click on more info, it says unable to install on a network drive. Please select, oh, it doesn't even say please, select another install location in your preferences. So if you go to your preferences, so if you go to File, Preferences, if I cancel that first, File, Preferences, and you go to Apps, and you change where you're installing it. This is not a network drive. This is C drive. This is where my main hard drive is. So obviously something's wrong. If you click retry again, let's go into some of the help articles and all that, see what they say. Right, let's go to learn more and let's go to view error log. Okay. Okay, so there's some, see what they say over here. So it doesn't tell you anything. Okay, so now let's talk about how to solve this problem. Okay, so after doing some Googling, here is a tool that I'm now going to try and use. It's called the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So if you can't find it, you can type this address in. I'll put a link in the comments. But or you can probably just Google how and when to use the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, and you'll probably find this page. So I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna clean everything out. There are a lot of steps. Okay, there's a log collector. There's check the sync status. So close Adobe Desktop Service and Core Sync in Task Manager. So that's probably quite important. So let's do that now. Task Manager, is there an Adobe Desktop Service? Adobe, there's a lot of Adobe stuff. Look at all this Adobe stuff. So much stuff. You have to close all this down. Okay, because after all, I'm trying to clean it out. So you probably have to clear out all that. Adobe Desktop Service, clear all that. And Core Sync, what's that? Core Sync, there it is. So you definitely have to close that. I'm thinking if I just close out Exit Creative Cloud, half of these will probably be gone. Okay, and is there something else? Adobe here. What's this? It's just, oh, that's my VPN. Yeah, close out the Adobe stuff. Core Sync, close that. Oops, this is now not disappearing. Adobe Desktop Service. I'm not sure which one that is, but I'm probably going to close all of this. Just click that. Close that. Update service. Forget it. Okay, and then it says save a copy of the following. I'm not sure why I would do that. Quit any open Adobe apps, including Creative Cloud. Close the remaining Adobe background processes. So yes, it needs us to close all that, unfortunately. So let's just close as much as we can. Close, 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 It's not quick. Does it say close that? Yeah. Anything with this symbol, see this Creative Cloud symbol? Let's just close all that down. There you go, all closed. Why can't this close? Any more with that symbol? Let's just go through that. Nah, seems fine. Acro tray, that sounds Adobe. Okay, so looks like Adobe's all gone. Save a copy, forget it. And then choose your OS, Windows. Use Creative Cloud Cleaner, download it. Okay, so that was quick. And then we need to run as administrator. Okay, so show in folder first. And then you see this file that you downloaded, right click on that and choose run as administrator. Run as administrator. Okay, and then what does it say? English review agreement. Wow, this is not easy. Okay, so let's just see what this says. English, press E for English. This is a Microsoft DOS interface. Yes. All this trouble. Choose from one of the following options to clean up. Okay, just clean out everything. All. List of products installed on this machine. Clean all. 23. 23. Clean all. Just get rid of it. Are you sure you want to clean the listed products? Yes. Confirm. Okay. So now let's see what happens. It'll probably take a bit, so I will come back when it asks me to do something. I'll start videoing again. Okay, so this seems like it's done. Log file saved. Cleaner tool completed successfully. Press enter. Please click enter to quit. Okay, press enter. Okay, it's finished. So I'm just going to restart the computer now, because you know nothing works without you restarting it. Restart it. See what happens. Okay, so the computer's restarted. And you can see there should be nothing Adobe on it. Type Adobe. Oh, all this still on it. Very strange. Creative Cloud, is that still on it? No, Creative Cloud app is gone. So it's done something. Okay, so let's go to, let's download the Creative Cloud app again. So much stuff there. Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud. Right, you can see I've already signed in. So let's download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install Creative Cloud, continue. Okay, so it's installing the Creative Cloud app again. Answer some questions. Okay, it looks like it's nearly finished installing. Opening Creative Cloud. Okay, so it's just got Acrobat DC is already installed. Thank God it didn't uninstall that. Let's just check where I've got the app saving to again. Default location, where is that? Doesn't say where the default location is. I'm just gonna change it to C drive, just so I know where it is. Okay, so file, preferences, apps, location is C program file / Adobe. Okay, let's see if it'll let me install Premiere Pro. Install. Installing Premiere Pro. Okay, so it's getting through it. It's going above 3%. So I will film again when it's done it. Okay, it now says that Premiere Pro is installed. You can see Premiere Pro up to date. Let's open it up. Screen resolution. Okay, it's open. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.